So let's have the second example. What is the measure of angle C in the triangle at the right or below? Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a degree. So we have there side C is given, side A and side B is given. So this is an example of side triangle. Um, you have to like take a look with the formula and choose the form of the law of cosine that contains angle C, since we are looking for angle C. And we use the side C, or C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus twice AB cosine C. Your C there is 12, your A is 5, and then your B is 8. So by substitution, that's going to be 12 squared. My A is 5 squared. My B is 8 squared. And then twice 2 times 5 times 8 cosine C. So 12 times 12, that's 144. 5 times 5, that's 25. 8 times 8, that's 64. Negative 2 times 5 times 8, that is 80. So minus 80 cosine C. So this is 144. 25 plus 64, that's 89. Minus 80 cosine C. So I'm going to subtract both sides by 89. That will give me 144 minus 89. It's 55, which is equal to negative 80 cosine C. Then solving for cosine C, you divide both sides by negative 80. So my cosine C there is 55 over negative 80. In order for us to find for the degree measure of cosine C, measure of angle C, we use the inverse of the cosine. So that's cosine inverse of negative 55 over 80. Let's use our Desmos scientific calculator to find the inverse of cosine negative 55 over 80, negative 80. So we have function, this is cosine inverse, and then negative 55 over 80. So approximately express your answer into to the nearest tenth. So it's 133.4. So approximately the measure of angle C is 133.4 degrees. And then you try to answer practice exercises number 2.